Greetings, Pod fans! It's day 15 of Pod Fajita. Pod videos himself every day in April. We are now at the midway point and I've decided I'm going to teach you something. So I've done a number of costumes where my beard is a completely different colour to my hair due to wigs or just putting colour in my hair. And I found a fairly effective method of doing this, so I'm going to share it with you all. I most recently and probably most effectively did this when I was Gallo at a Kumacon. You can see it over there. My beard is lovely and blue. Over here it's not so lovely or so blue. So as I mentioned, it is a really easy process. The things that you will need are some toothbrushes and face paint. I used the Snazaroo one, it seems to work pretty well. I would also recommend a beard comb, just for getting out knots and stuff if you have a big thick beard like me. Also a beard shampoo, some beard balm, and a good beard oil, just for before and after, because you're just kind of covering your beard in face paint, which I feel is not optimized for beard, and you don't want to do any damage to the hair. Let's move on to step one, which is of course, take a shower. As you can probably tell by the wet hair and the towel, I've now been showered. My beard has been washed, combed, oiled, balmed, the whole 9 yards. Which means we're ready to get started. So follow me to the bathroom. And welcome to my bathroom, complete with dirty mirror. So, to get started, you're going to take your toothbrush. You can see this one has little beard hairs in it because it has been used before and it is slightly blue. So, step one, just wet it, put it under the tap. You can hear that. Oh, baby. And then we're going to grab this. We're going to do little circular motions till it's, it's blue on top. And then you literally just, and you get almost immediate results. So now we're just going to do this until everything is covered. So I'm going to speed up this a little bit. Cool blue. The mustache works pretty much the same as the rest of the beard. You will just have to be a little bit more careful. However, if you do make mistakes, just grab a piece of tissue and you can wipe it off and clean yourself up afterwards. It's actually, this method is my favorite thing for cosplay. It makes everything so damn easy. Now you can see we've got a fairly blue beard. The main thing at this point is to remember to get everything underneath. As you can see there, I've got little black bits just poking out. So make sure that you go all the way through and make sure that you get the middle of the beard here, because the actual color will shine through if there's any movement or anything. So just make sure to cover all of it. Also, I don't know if I mentioned why we're using a toothbrush and not any other kind of brush. It's the same reason that they quote in every single toothbrush ad ever: it gets places you can't. Because of the bristles, it will just cover every single hair individually, and that's exactly what we need. Now, once you're done with the beard itself, you might not be done, because if this is for a costume and you're wearing a wig, there is another area that you gotta make sure is covered. I'm talking, of course, about the sideburns and this little tuft here, anywhere that you think won't get under a wig cap. This is personal stuff, wherever your hair do lie. If you're confused, you can literally just put on a goddamn wig cap and color it while the wig cap is on. That's what I usually do. That's my hair now looking nice and blue. Just don't forget your eyebrows. Yeah, because it's not real dye, we can do this. Don't dye your eyebrows. I'm pretty sure it tells you on the back of the box not to. And now, once we've done that, we're pretty much done. It's just little bits of cover-ups and fixes Just look in the mirror and figure it out for yourself. And now you're ready to wow your friends and others with your beautiful colored beard. I couldn't find my wig cap, so this isn't perfect, and it has just been sitting on the mannequin head for a couple of months, but it's still holding shape. We did a good job with our 3 hours of work. So yes, I hope this was educational or interesting or, like, you know, watchable. I don't know. I feel like it is a really easy method to do. It is quite simple and it is very effective. You know, you know how black my hair is, and the fact that I can just do this in, like, I think I was recording for about 7 minutes in the bathroom. It's beautiful. It's perfect. It's quite amazing what you can do in like half an hour, including shower time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I don't really know if I have anything else that I can teach the world, but if I think of cool cosplay things that I know that maybe other people don't, I will think about it. If you've seen stuff that I've done and you're like, whoa, how does that work? I can try and explain it. But I am not a cosplayer. I'm not good at this, but I will try. All right, well, have a nice day. Don't get lost. Eat your greens. Don't start fires. Slán.